Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is going to be our video number 34 of the series. And here is our question, that is, write a Python script that downloads the source code of a URL and saves it in a file. So we have seen how to download the source code in our previous videos, but we don't know how to save it, right? And I have asked one of my friend and he helped me actually to write a very short script. So let's see how we can solve this question. Okay, so I have already created a file and here is our question. So let's first import our request module as always, and we'll use the def, that is download source code, and we'll write and we'll give two arguments, okay, URL and the file name. Okay, colon, we'll write our response variable equal to, we know how to get the URL with the help of get method. I hope you guys are comfortable using the request.get method and you will remember it, and we'll write the URL. Okay, so basically this line makes a get request to the URL and retrieve the response. Now we'll use the with keyword. With open, we have used open method, file names, and we'll give the W, that is for write mode, okay, as file. Okay, so this line opens the specific file in write mode using a with statement. Actually, the with statement is used to ensure that the file is properly closed even if an exception is raised, okay, while writing to the file, and the file object will be stored in a file variable, this variable. Okay, so we have to write file dot write method, and we'll give our response dot text because we want the response in a text format. Now let's get out of this with statement and our function. Basically we have to ask the user, so we'll use a URL equal to, and we'll use our input function, enter the URL, and we'll write the file name equal to input, like we have to ask the user to enter the file name as well, enter the file name. Now we have to call our function, write URL, and we have to write our variable name as well, okay, file name. Now let's use our print function to print the source code. So I'm going to use the formatted string, and the source code save to the file, right? So we're going to use the placeholder file name. So this is going to be a short script to download the source code of a URL and save it to the file. So let's save the code and run it. So let's download the FBI investigation page. Like it is a, basically it's a short blog. Okay, so let's hit enter and enter the file name. So FBI blog source code. Okay, very simple. Hit enter. The source code saved to FBI blog source code. Let's check. We'll hit the dir command and FBI, see, it is there, FBI blog source code. Let's write the type command to see the content. Like if you are in Linux operating system, you have to write the cat command to see the content of the file, but we are in the Windows operating system, so we'll use the type command to see the content of FBI blog source code. Okay, so this is how you can download the source code of any URL. Cool. By the way, I love FBI site, so just give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.